What's going on, stackers? So in this video I want to talk about this new income stream that I'm getting super excited about. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know my favourite income stream, passive income stream, then check out that link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This course is all about selling low content books over on Amazon. You can do this completely for free, and this course teaches you how I built my low content business to over $1,000 per month within 3 months. So if you want to check this out, go through, the link is in the description, or you can get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So what is this new income stream that I'm getting super excited about? Well, that's niche websites. So niche websites have been on my radar for absolutely years, since I got into internet marketing around 5 years ago, back in 2013. So what is a niche website? Well, it's a website in a specific niche. That's all it is. And then you can monetize that through affiliate links, digital products, physical products, Amazon links. There's so many ways that you can monetize a niche website. Now, why am I starting to get into this? Well, over on the StackinProfit website, I've recently been making it or building it out and starting to put articles on the website, and because of that I've been brushing up on WordPress, SEO and all the fun stuff, and because of that I've started to find more and more videos teaching about niche websites. Now this is one of my favorite channels where I'm learning quite a lot at the minute. This is called Income School. I've been subscribed to them for quite a while now, but I've started going through their content and I'm absolutely blown away. So if you're interested in niche websites, I suggest going and checking out this channel. I'm also more than likely going to go through their course as well. Now if you want to check them out, I am going to leave a link for this in the description below so you can go through and check out their channel. So niche websites. Over time these can become completely passive and there's no cap on the income that you can create. So I think it is a really good idea to have a little portfolio of niche websites bringing you in that passive income. Now if you don't actually want to build out niche websites, you can already purchase them. Now you're not going to be able to find them really cheap like a few years back, but if you've got the money, you can go to websites like Flipper, Empire Flippers. There's loads of different website brokers where you can go and purchase niche websites which are already bringing in an income. So all you would have to do is buy the website and bam, you've got an income straight away. Now I've been getting that idea as well from Ryan Moran. I've been following him before he even started his Amazon journey. Now this is a great video to watch as well about buying websites and using them as an investment vehicle, like an investment asset. Now I am going to leave a link for this as well down in the description below if you want to check that out as well. So why am I getting into other streams of income? I have my course, I have low content books, I have the ad revenue from my YouTube channel, I also do a little bit of affiliate marketing, but I want to build out multiple different passive income streams. So I'm not relying just on one. And I think niche websites is just a really great idea. Now this isn't a get rich quick thing. If you go down the route of just making them yourself, you're looking at a good 6 months to a year before you even start seeing any income. So this is long term, and this is what I like. But this is something that has been on my radar for such a long time, and now brushing up on my SEO, my WordPress, and all of that jazz, I really think that I could possibly build out a niche website, get that to a nice little income, build out another one, and just build a portfolio of passive income producing websites. And then with that income, I could even purchase even more websites, and then I could even hire a team to manage all of those sites for me, making it completely passive. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, let me know in the comments down below, because I find all this stuff interesting. You should never ever stop learning, even if you have an income stream or two which are working really well for you. You should constantly be learning other income streams and trying to incorporating them into your business. Because if we go back over to here, I'm all about, as you can see at the top, learn skills, build wealth, live life. So this would be another skill that I could add to my portfolio of skills. So constantly be learning, trying new things, and making more money. Now again, let me know in the comments below if this is something that you're interested in, or if you would try it. And if you want to check out my #1 way to creating passive income, then check out that Printing Profits course. Link is in the description down below, or you can get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.